Hello, everybody, and welcome to Lesson 2 of the second 9 weeks. Today, we are going to start learning how to read and write tonal patterns with the goal of writing our own tune at the end of this 9 weeks. Let's go over our tonal patterns first. Do, mi, do. Re, ti, re. Do, mi, so. So, fa, re. Ti, re, so. Mi, so, do. Re, ti, so. So, mi, do. Do, mi. Re, so. So, fa. Re, ti. Do, so. So, ti. Re, fa. Mi, do. Nice job. So I'm not going to spend too much time on this video because there is a Nearpod activity for you to do, but I'm going to show you how to find that Nearpod activity and a little bit of how to do it. So on Schoology, on your Schoology page, right above where you're watching this video, there is number 2, complete the Nearpod lesson for reading and writing tonal patterns, and it gives you the code there. If you want to put in the code on the actual Nearpod app, you can do that, or you can just click the link, and that link will bring up Nearpod for you. Mine is loading a little slow. It asks for your name. Please put in your first and your last name. Again, please put in your first and your last name. So I put in my name, join the lesson. And the first question, it actually asks you again, please tell me your first and last name and your homeroom teacher. Okay? So again, first and last name, and put in your homeroom teacher's name for me. This just helps me and makes it easier for me to put in a grade for you. Okay? After you do that, it'll take you to the first pattern. For each pattern, there will be a little play button down at the bottom. So it shows you what the pattern looks like, and then you read and sing the pattern after me. So you hit the play button, you will hear me sing the pattern, and then you sing it after me, like this. Do, mi, do. Do, mi, do. So you can see what that pattern looks like, and then when you go to the next slide, the play button will be at the top, and it says listen, sing, and write the pattern you hear. So I will hit the play button and do what I just did on the last one. Mi, do. Do, mi, do. And then I could select my pen, and I could write do, mi, do, right there. So you can see my pattern, do, mi, do, that I've written. Then I'll click submit and move on to the next slide. And it'll go to the next pattern. Re, ti, re. Re, ti, re. Re, ti, re. Re, ti, re. And then I'll write that re, ti, re. Now, if you can't remember what it looks like, you can go back to the last slide and look at it again. So really, you're just copying from this slide to the next slide. Here's that re, ti, re. And then you write that re, ti, re. Right? And it goes through all 16 patterns that we have. Do, mi, so. Then you'll write that. So, fa, re. Now, after you get through all of the patterns, okay, at the very end, I'm just skipping ahead a little bit here. It will ask you to do, there's a little challenge that I have for you. At the very end, I want you to create your own pattern. Okay? It says, challenge, create your own tonal pattern, write your pattern here, and sing it on the next slide. So let me make up a pattern. I'm going to do so, do, mi. Ooh, I don't like that. I'm going to go do that again. So, do, mi. So there's my pattern. So, do, mi. And it says sing it on the next slide. So it'll bring up a question. You're not going to type anything in here. There's the record button down here. For some reason, it's not available on my iPad, but it has the record button down here. And I would record myself singing so, do, mi, what I just did. Okay? And that's it. I'm going to include some extra listenings on the after this video if you want to listen to those that I think you'll enjoy for this week. Have a good week, and I will see you next week.